Here we are, stopped for a first break of the day. We just come up a big old steep hill, letting the horses, mules blow for a minute. Show you our train. There's Danny, just standing there resting. That's it so far. Like I said, we'll get some more joined up this evening. We'll have an even longer train. Rained on us a little bit yesterday. Rained all night long. According to the radio, they've given us about a 70% chance of rain today. So the horses and mules might get wet, but we won't. Not unless we have to get out of the wagon.